Okay, set up. Okay, ready. So our next topic will be about engine classification. So in the market today, there are so many engine classifications. There are different engines that have been manufactured for different purposes. So now we will discuss about the different classifications of the engine. So how it is used in the market today, or for us people. Okay, so here's the topics that these are the different applications or the different learning objectives that we will learn from our topic today. So let's continue. We will discuss it more. Okay, so the engine classification according to application. So in the automotive, so meaning in cars, we use diesel engine in cars, truck, bus, off highway like trains, in locomotive, aircraft, marine, power generation, agriculture, earth moving, home use, and others. So there are so many applications that we use engine. So these are some. Okay, so here we can see the automotive diesel engine. So here we can see a how much cylinder? 12 cylinder, I think. 12 cylinder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 cylinder diesel engine, 2-stroke diesel engine. So you can see the yellow color person here. That's the person. So ang liit-liit ng tao. Okay? So this is used on board ships. Here we can see an engine used in cars. Yeah, here. So the Bugatti Veyron engine producing 1001 horsepower at 6000 revolution per minute. It's an 8-liter V16 engine. So V-type engine, 16 cylinder, 8-liter engine. Okay, classification of internal combustion engines, basic engine design. So there are different designs for our engines. So here we will have a picture. So here we have a twin rotor Wankel. This one is the Wankel rotary piston engine. So as you can see in here, it's like a triangle and it's rotating, thereby creating compression and exhaust, thereby creating combustion inside combustion chamber. So these are types of rotary engines. So classification of internal combustion engines according to its operating cycle. So internal combustion engines, they have the Otto, or it's also used in gasoline engine, the Atkinson, the Miller type, the diesel, and the dual for the actual diesel engine, dual type. So engine classification according to the method of combustion. There are two types of method of combustion in engines. So we have the external combustion engine and the internal combustion engine. According to thermodynamic cycle, so we have the diesel cycle, constant pressure heat addition, gasoline cycle, constant volume heat addition, and the dual cycle, constant pressure and constant volume. So the two classifications according to operating cycle, we have the 4-stroke engine and the 2-stroke engine. So the 4-stroke engine creates one combustion, one power stroke in every 2 cycles or 2 revolutions of the crankshaft, while the 2-stroke engine creates power or combustion every cycle of the crankshaft. It takes 2 complete revolutions. Okay, so as you can see. Okay, the classification according to running gear. So we have 2 types. We have the trunk type and the crosshead type. So usually the trunk type is for 4-stroke diesel engines, while the crosshead type is for the 2-stroke diesel engines. So classification according to piston arrangement. So we have the 4 different arrangement of pistons for engines. We have the inline. Okay, here is a rotary. Or what's the name of this one? That's the radial diesel engine. We have here the inline diesel engine. So inline, as you can see, the piston is in line with each other. We have here the V-type, in which the pistons are creating a V form. So they are moving in a V form. So here they are opposed piston diesel engine. So as you can see, the pistons are opposed with each other. Oh, rather it's not opposed. What's the name of this one? Rather, it's the horizontal diesel engine. And this one is the opposed. The pistons are opposed with each other. So usually some engines uses this opposed piston during the war period. So this is the one, the center. This is the radial piston. It can be used in aviation maybe. So according to speed, the classification of engines according to speed, we have the low speed with a maximum of 240 RPM, the medium speed from 240 to 960 RPM, and the high speed diesel engine with more than 960 RPM. So 960 RPM revolutions per minute. So 960 revolutions per minute is around 16 revolutions in 1 second. So 1 second, 16 revolutions, so fast. Classification according to the method of supplying air. So we have the three types: the supercharged diesel engine, the turbocharged diesel engine, and the naturally aspirated diesel engine. So the supercharged diesel engine are equipped with mechanically driven compressor in supplying air into the cylinder. So may turbocharger na siya, meron pa siyang additional na auxiliary fan or auxiliary blower to supercharge the diesel engine during startup. Usually they use this in two-stroke engine. While the turbocharged diesel engine, usually now we have the almost all engines are turbocharged. Almost all diesel engines are turbocharged right now, because the old model of diesel engines are not turbocharged, but they are naturally aspirated. It's meaning that when the piston goes down, it sucks air. So it's not, the suction of air is naturally created by the engine. While in the turbocharged engine, the admission of air into the combustion chamber is forced, or is forcefully given by the turbocharger. Next, a classification according to the method of fuel injection. We have the air injection and the mechanical injection. So nowadays we use the mechanical injection because it's better than the air injection. So there is no delay. So there are so many different classification of engines. And we will just tackle this one. So hindi ko na i-tackle pa yung iba. So tinanggal ko na siya sa slide. So thank you for your time and God bless. See you next time.